These are the elevators at the Union on 5th Lofts in Uptown, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Case 59's elevators and Case Fire stairs. These are 80s, 90s Dover Marshall impulse tractions. Really controlled with no contact on the button. And they're scenic too. Kind of nice sensors. Lower level. Interior go down. Definitely from the 80s. Chirp doesn't work. Indicator is burned out for a bellow. So go up to 6. And here you go up. Here's the main entrance. This is a very nice, very unique design. I love it. Can't really see too much. Obviously, the reason those windows are frost over is because of the elevators. Christmas lights say. Here at 6. See the skylight. This looks like it's maybe a mod, but I'm not 100% sure. Back down to 1. Non-ADA phone. Industrial commercial owner maintains these. It's your basic painted cab. Again, I do love the fact it's scenic, very unique design. Cost if you want to read any of those. Certificate was there. There's a card reader in the elevator, but it doesn't look like it's worked in years. You're back at 1.